Hello today guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, today I want to talk to you about temporary chats. Now, this is a feature that ChatGPT has had around for a while now, and let me explain a little bit more about it. So, ChatGPT, every question that you ask it, and that you interact with it, will appear here in your recents. The recents are then used as a sort of memory for ChatGPT, so future conversations with it can be more targeted and more specific towards you. Now, this is a great feature. I love that they've done this. However, sometimes you may be talking to ChatGPT and you don't want it to be remembered. You don't want it to show up again. And ChatGPT knows this. The makers are smart, right? So they've actually added this little feature called temporary chat. So if I click here, anything I ask this will now not show up in future recents. So let's do a very simple one here, right? How big is Spain? Right, we'll get an answer. So I've got a new chat. We can see down here that my recents are the same as they were before. So nothing is actually stored. Furthermore, so to get here, it's up here. Furthermore, if we look at this, it also tells us that anything that is asked in temporary chat will not be used in the future to train their models. So do with that as you will, but it's a very good place to speak to the raw model and ask it more private sorts of questions. But yeah, that's it for today. Good luck with your temporary chatting. Hope it goes well. See ya.